Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how we can design a ceiling fan cover and then add parameter values into it to control each and every dimensions in that model. So this is asked by one of my subscribers, and he have sent me some of his project question files. So let's have a look at how we can start doing the model. So let's firstly go to start new and go for part, and let's name it as ceiling cover model. Let's so the workbench open up, and then let's start creating a sketch on the XY plane, and let's look at the drawing. So firstly we just have to go through any drawing that we get, and as you can see it's just a simple model with the side and the top view. So we basically have 1, 2 and 3 concentric circles, and then it's been padded and then shelled and then given some dimensions, so it's pretty easy job. So in here they have specified some of the conditions that how the parameter should control each and every values in it. So let's start adding. So let's start adding concentric circles, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's insert. Firstly, before we insert any parameter, let's first follow the dimensions which is given in this drawing. So later when we drive or when we insert formulas, the values of these might change because they have set some rules how the values should be working. So initially let's insert these values in the drawing. So you will understand that better once you go ahead, or once you take few steps or follow few steps from now. So let's insert 12, 8, 12, 8 and what else, 4. So let's go here. It's 12, 8 and 4. So I have given the units as meter. If you want, you can go here and you can start your design with millimeter or inches or anything. So that's the first step. Now let's add 2 axes here, 1 and 2. Okay, let's come back here and have a look in what else do we need. So we have one hole, circle hole, so let's insert that hole. It's of diameter 1. It's of diameter 1 or radius 1, I'm not sure, let me have a look. It's diameter 1, so radius must be 2, no sorry, the radius must be 0.5. Alright, so here as well you can see these are all diameter values, so I think I'll have to change it all to the diameter values. So it should be 4 meter. So if radius is 4, then the diameter must be 8. So that's how it is. So as you can see here, I've changed it all to the radius values. So if you go back and look at the drawing, you can see the outer diameter circle is of 12 units diameter. So here if you see it's 6 and so on for each and every units. Now let's Let's use this particular feature here, profile feature, and do the profile output for each and every circles here. That's 1. Okay, inner circle 2, and let's avoid this circle and go for this, and 3 circles will be enough. You will understand why I have taken this step, and this particular step will save us a lot of time, and it makes our design more simpler and easy to understand. So let's name each of these profile features as outer dia. This one is inner circle. You can name it as outer circle, and here this one as whole. Now let's go ahead and save this particular file. It's always good that you save the file before you proceed and you reach somewhere close to the finish line and suddenly your computer shuts off or something, unfortunately. Now let's see, we have created a base sketch for our project. Let's see what we can do ahead in our next tutorial part. So stay tuned. If you have any doubt in this particular part, you can comment below the video and I'll get in touch with you. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.